Nowadays, whenever you scroll through YouTube, a particular type of content keeps grabbing everyone's attention. Have you noticed it? Let's take a look at a live example on the screen. This channel, called Chris Invests, joined on November 13th, 2018, and currently has 166,000 subscribers. They have already published 419 videos. Their very first video received 1.5 million views. The second video received 1 million views, and the third video also received 1 million views. Every single video has received thousands of views. If we look at their monthly income, we will be surprised. They are earning at least $2,500 per month. Yet they never appear in front of the camera. They simply upload whiteboard animation or sketch-style videos. So in today's complete guide, I will show you step-by-step how to create this type of viral content with the help of AI. But before getting into the main tricks, let's first watch a demo that we created.
Human civilization didn't change overnight. It evolved through a series of inventions so powerful that they transformed the way we live, work, communicate, and one of humanity's earliest game-changing inventions was the wheel. It revolutionized transportation, trade, construction. Agriculture allowed people to settle in one place. With reliable food supplies, villages grew into cities, and civilization.
Without wasting your valuable time, I will go directly to the main process so that you can start creating this yourself from today. Before that, just spend 1 second to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming unique earning methods. To begin this entire journey, our first tool will be an AI chatbot. There are many options available now, such as Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok. But for today's project, I am choosing ChatGPT. After opening the chatbot, go directly to the Google Doc file I provided, where I have prepared this special prompt. And yes, I will tell you at the end of the video how you can get access to this document completely free. Copy the prompt exactly line by line. Do not miss even a single dot or comma, because even a small mistake can completely ruin the AI's final output. Copy everything, paste it into the ChatGPT box, and run it. ChatGPT will take only a few seconds to process your data. Then an output like this will appear on the screen, containing many different whiteboard concept ideas. In other words, whatever type of video you want to create, a ready-made library will appear in front of you. Scroll through the ideas carefully. Usually AI generates around 10 ideas, so choose the one that best matches your channel's theme. Head over to Google Docs, copy the second prompt, and go to ChatGPT. Paste it. Then find the topic line inside it and paste your preferred title there. Then click Enter. ChatGPT will give us a video prompt and a natural voiceover script. The biggest advantage is that under every scene, there will be a continuity prompt that keeps visual consistency between frames so the character does not change. Now the real game begins, so pay close attention to the screen. Copy the video prompt for the first scene and go directly to the Google Flow website. The main reason for using this tool is that it allows you to use high-end models like Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2 completely free. Select the video mode and set the video aspect ratio. Select an output size of 8 seconds. Paste the prompt and click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, a perfect piece of art like this will appear. Once the first video is ready, copy the second prompt from ChatGPT, then return to Google Flow, paste the prompt, and click the Generate button. Apply the same formula for the third, fourth, fifth, and sixth scenes, generating each video one by one. After that, we will use a small tool to extract the script from it, which is also included in my Google Doc file. Paste it, and simply press Enter. GPT will then write a professional script from it. We will copy the entire script. To convert it into voice, we will generally use Google AI Studio. Paste it there, and on the right side, you will see the voice section. Select any voice you like. Once everything looks fine, click Run at the bottom. It will generate the voice for us. Now, our task is to edit the videos. This step is very simple. Combine all the clips together and give them a final form. For editing, I personally use CapCut, but you can use any software you prefer. Open CapCut and import the video files downloaded from Google Flow. Arrange them on the timeline according to the story sequence. After placing them on the timeline, play the entire video once. If there are any slight distortions or unnecessary parts in any AI-generated frame, trim them out so the flow looks completely professional. Then add the voice we generated earlier and lower its volume a little so the main voice can be heard clearly. That's it. Also, add transitions between each video clip to make the video look more high quality and professional. Once everything looks perfect, simply click the export button. Our professional whiteboard animation video is now completely ready to create a storm on social media. And yes, for those who want this master prompt completely free in their own dashboard, I will provide it in the description of this video, and you can collect it from there. So why wait? Let's enjoy our final output on the big screen.
Human civilization didn't change overnight. It evolved through a series of inventions so powerful that they transformed the way we live, work, communicate, and understand the world.